You just need to plug these two. The other side connect to the air compressor. There is a valve here. This side means close. The other side means open. And this one is the power switch. Put it up to turn on the machine. This button is for lighting. Press it to turn on the light. And this one is for heating. Press it down to turn on the temperature. Press again to turn off the temperature. Click here, up, then increase the temperature. Down, it is reducing the temperature. And this blue color, it is the lamination time. You click one more time, then it goes to the time setting for lamination. Normally, we're using the 18 seconds for lamination. Pressure right here, clockwise to increase the pressure. Normally, we use to 0.29. And this button is emergency button. If you have emergency case, then you just press it and then rotate it, then release it. If you press it down, then this button will not work. First of all, we have to make sure this blade is in the middle of this glass. Now, I adjust the pressure, make it as low as much as possible. Okay, now it comes down. Then you can adjust the pressure back to 0. Okay, you check the details right here. Now this blade is not balanced with this glass. Then I move it a little bit to make sure this blade is in the middle of this glass and it is totally balanced with this blade. That's what you could see right now. It is okay. Then you turn up the pressure and make this blade goes up. Then you tidy it up slowly. Here I'm doing the balance adjustment. First of all, we use this kind of sealant. It is waterproof sealant. And then press it down. Make it up. Then we check the line here. You can see this part, the line is darker. This part is too light. So we need to tighten this side up a little bit. Then test again. Okay, now we see this side, it is too dark. Then we tighten it up this side again. Okay, now you can see the line is balanced because the color of it is balanced. And go back to here. When you are tidying up, then this blade goes up. If you lose it anti-clockwise, and then the blade comes down. This both sides. We need to use the screwdriver to adjust it. Okay, now this part is finished. Take out this waterproof sealant. Put it on the blade, on the glass. Press it down. For 5 seconds, then we leave it up. At this moment, we are going to do the alignment of this alignment blade. When we put the blade on this magnet, we have to make sure that the blade is right next to this line. As you can see right now, the blade, right, this part is a little bit too much inside. Okay, then we need to loosen this screw. Now I have already loosened these 2 screws, and then you can see we can move it back and forward. Make sure this blade is just right next to the line. And then tidy it up. Okay, now you can see this line is balanced with this blade, and the blade just right next to the line. Now for example, we're gonna to do the bonding. We have to make sure that this golden area is just right next to the blade to do the alignment like this. Okay. Then take out this blade and press it down. Then the bonding is finished.